Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw maintenance requests from Buildium into automation flows, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Buildium account and log in. Navigate to the maintenance requests section within your dashboard. Locate the specific maintenance request you want to withdraw. Click on the request to view its details. Identify the option to withdraw or cancel the request. Select the withdrawal option. Confirm your action to withdraw the request. Once the request is withdrawn, take note of any updates within your account. Access your automation flow tool or software. Log in to your automation platform. Create a new automation workflow dedicated to maintenance requests. Input the necessary triggers for the newly withdrawn requests. Set the conditions for how to handle these requests within the flow. Add actions that correspond to the withdrawn status of the requests. Test the automation flow to ensure it operates as intended. Save your automation workflow once it is functioning correctly. Monitor the flow regularly to ensure continued efficiency. Adjust the automation parameters as needed based on performance. Document any changes made to improve clarity and future use. Review the overall process periodically for optimizations. Ensure all team members are informed of any updates in the automation flow. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage maintenance requests within Buildium and enhance your operational workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.